Akahleli kungasukeli nje i-capitalism noRamaphosa akuna-divide and conquer la. La bantu basende isicelo sokuhlangana noRamaphosa. Isikhathi la sikhuluma ngaso njalo babhala isicelo basende isicelo balindele impendulo yesicelo sabo asifake ku-president. Samukelwe isicelo baze a week before ukuthi bazoba ne-meeting. Iziphushuka indaba yokuthi kuba ne-meeting isolwa wo-ghost lady laphana ku-Mac podcast. Isonto lonke bengamtshela uMangobeso ngosuku le-meeting emehlele ngo-2 leyo meeting. Bangambiza nakhona before u2 kwaba u2 yadelay kwaze kwashaya u9 yahlala ngo9 yaphela i-meeting after i-meeting kwanesikhathi kuze kushaya isikhathi semarshal ngomhla ka30 bangamtshela uMangobeso it was deliberate akuna Ramaphosa la owenze lutho ekutheleni ku-divide yibona bakhetha i-delegation to leyanto leyana uRamaphosa wayengekaze atshela ukuthi baze nobani bengeze nobani ayikho lento leyo uMr Kuba uyasho ukuthi abakwazi ukuthi betshele ilento i-organization eyimele ukuthi ize nobani ngezi nobani ayikho Ramaphosa wengathi akuzoyena noZoso amukho uRamaphosa ngasho kanjalo athi wozani noZoso kube ngasho ukuthi akuzoyena ngizwe ngoba vele ngizwe i-ANC endaba ukuthi nithi i-patriarchy to leave Jacinta out and so forth. That's nonsense. You supported this patriarch from the get-go. You saw Phakile Mthethwa akhuluma ngani besifazane nakhuluma ngayo ngabantu besifazane thinking that they are something to be owned, they are something kumele zikhonjwe nje, they have no place in the revolution. Only men can save you are saying i-patriarchy to leave Jacinta out. Nifanisa indaba kaJacinta neya Winnie Mandela who was left at Kodesa as if ANC was not the one that chose the delegation to Kodesa. You are saying patriarchy because you are now seeing this toxic masculinity by Phakile Mthethwa, this bravado and machismo that he has, this arrogance and being self-centered that he has. But you are also making yourselves a feminist. You are not even feminist, by the way. You know what feminism is. You've seen feminism. If feminism cares for children and women, you are the one who supported March. Evil. Ikhipha iy'ngane ezikoleni. Feminism cares for children, cares a lot about children. You saw imagine ikhipha abantu besifazane abakhulelwe abayithwele ebhedlela bekhulelwe benjalo. You decided to support that. Nabona imagine ixosha malala wenza amaZimbabweans elibona kahle bahluphekile abantu labana akubona abantu bama-drugs labana bawulala le eThekwini iy'nsuku ney'ngane. Feminism cares about iy'ngane nabantu besifazane. Lala phandle ney'ngane without i-shelter. Kumanje basemosina iy'mvula namalanga iphela kubona. And then now you want to play feminism. That's nonsense. That's rubbish. You're not feminist. You yourself center men a lot. Nambona Phakile Mthethwa ekhuluma nomuntu wesifazane lapha enakho eHarding emhabeza kabuhlungu lapha nibuka and you supported that. So akumuse kube ngathi manje na no, we told you a long time ago that March is divided. And division kind of a political interest. And you said imagine the political party. And we've never claimed it to be a political party, by the way. I said it a week ago, 2 weeks ago. It is divided and I was nang tukala. So let's not do that.